Patches of cloud aren't going to spoil an otherwise fabulous day for a match. The captains are ready to call for the toss. Heads or tails, it's anyone's guess. And we have got heads. Opting to field first. A smart choice if the wicket doesn't change much during the innings. The fielding team is on the ground. The opening duo is making its way to the... It's going to be harder to convert those boundaries with the outfield getting covered. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. He hits long and hard down the ground. Over the ropes it goes. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. It doesn't seem to be timed well. Exquisite timing so far. Will this be a hat-trick boundary?
That's it.
He is on a poor spell here. He has to pick up his game from now on and try and look for some wickets. A clean sweep and it clears the field. It's raining boundaries here. That's a railgun of a shot. Belted it far, high and away. Slogs it through the covers brilliantly. A beautiful delivery, and it swings through the line. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. Such a neat dismissal. Fantastic delivery. That's the first wicket down in this innings. The fielders are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. Couldn't have added more grace to it. The crowd is straining to follow that one. What a stunner! A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. That's lofted for massive six. What a beauty! It's sayonara with that delivery. That's a mountain of a total. Let's hope they can... Good stuff from the bowler. Bowls a shortish delivery this time. Oh, what a delivery! He's lofted it just right. Bounce and boundary. No better way to start an innings. A brutal sky shot that soars above the pitch into the crowd.
6.
That's played so well by the batsman for a huge 6. The bowler wants to disrupt the batsman's rhythm. He's going for a side change. Four off the over's last ball. That was an expensive over. The bowler is not so impressed with the performance. This close contest is coming to an end as the bowler begins the match-deciding over. They've decided to call in the leg spinner to control the flow of runs. That was caught with good judgment in the outfield. A crucial wicket at a crucial time. The fielding unit has aided in the early breakthrough here. An impressive stint by both batsmen. And he's off the mark. A fine start.
That's it.
A brilliant stroke as the innings comes to a close. And it's gone for a 4. He's absolutely obliterated that one. They'll be hunting for that one in the audience. A cracking shot comes in during the final countdown. That's been sliced away for 6. There's no cricket pitch on earth that could contain that one. Whisked away to the boundary in the last over. That's absolutely magnificent. took the pace off the ball with that brilliantly timed. A back-and-forth contest of wills that has left one side triumphant. What a match! A stellar total by the striker. A much-deserved man of the match.